We're bringing muscle back. I'm going to be talking how muscle contracts.
My name is Cricket. My classmate here is Larry Bass.
This is for Mr. Fitzsimmons' A&P class.
So keep on watching and learn how the muscles react.
Okay, to start off with, we are going to go over the structures in the muscle. We have the three types of tissue, which is the epithelium, the periosteum, and the endomysium. And when we connect all these three, we would get the tendon, which is the connection between both the muscle and the bone. The epimysium is the tissue that surrounds the whole muscle, which is really essential to separate it from other organs. And within the epimysium, we have fascicles, which are these right here. And the tissue that surrounds these fascicles would be the periosteum. And in this tissue, you would find your blood vessels and your nerves and everything else. Within the fascicle right here, you would find the muscle fibers that are right here. And the tissue that surrounds this would be the endomysium.
Okay, to go into more depth, this organelle right here is called myofibril, which is a subfiber of muscle fiber. And what this myofibril contains is sarcomere. And sarcomere contains two myofilaments, which are actin is this little one, and myosin, which is
On the next slide, we are going to be talking about the neuromuscular junction that is going to be taking place right here. In the process of the neuromuscular junction, we have both the nerve right here and the muscle fiber, which is the sarcolemma. And this process starts with the arrival of action potential, which is this little lightning bolt right here. And that is going to travel through the whole nerve. Because of this action, that is going to let go of the ACH, which are these little dots, and it's going to open some gates right here. This process is called excitation, and with the release of these ACH, they are going to start attaching to the ACH receivers. And once these ACH receivers know that they're being contacted, they are going to open another gate, as you can see with these red lines, and it is going to let sodium come through those walls. And due to the imbalance of sodium in both of these regions, it is going to produce a second action potential, and this action potential is going to travel through the terminal cisternae, and it is eventually going to disrupt the action of the T-tubules, causing the release of calcium.
okay. Here within the zone of overlap, the contractions like okay, I'm sorry, I'm back. Okay, as I was saying, within the zone of overlap, the contraction cycle occurs. It then starts with the arrival of calcium, as Valerio said in the previous slide. Calcium later then binds with troponin, which later then exposes the active sites of actin. Once exposed, myosin that were in cocked positions form bonds with the active sites called cross bridges. With the ADP and P that the myosin has, it uses it for a power stroke that pulls the actin towards the end line. Once this action is over, the ADP and P have released. ATD is now attached to the myosin head, making the cross bridge bond break. Because it is attached to the ATD
ATP. That's ATP. Breaks down into ADP and ADP and P, making the head go back to its cocked position.
Then the cycle is.
Then the cycle will start
keep
over.
going with the presence of calcium.
Okay, excuse my friend star over here with the giggles. The connection between these two cycles is called the excitation-contraction coupling, which is just the binding of both of them.
Everything. Basically,
So,
the whole thing.
yeah, these are the process of contraction.
Yep. Thank you.
Thank you.